Hello, today I make this video to talk about steps to start the engine with a smart key. For the on, you need to make sure that the parking brake is applied properly. This step is very important because it helps keep the car stable and prevent it from moving unexpectedly. You should always check this before doing anything else. Next, press the brake pedal and keep your foot firm on it. While pressing the brake, check the gear lever and make sure it's in the park position or neutral position. For safety reasons, it is highly recommended to keep it in the park position when starting the engine. After that, while you are still press the brake pedal, press the engine start or stop button. At this moment, the vehicle electrical system will be activated and the engine will begin the starting process. Then continue to hold the brake pedal and pay attention to the glow indicator light on the dashboard. You should wait until this light turns off, which usually takes about 5 seconds. This step ensures that the engine system is ready to operate smoothly. Finally, when the glow indicator light goes off, the engine will start running normally. At this point, you can release the brake pedal and the car is ready to drive. In conclusion, starting an engine with a smart key is quite simple and convenient if you follow all the steps carefully and correctly. It not only saves the time but also improves safety for the driver. Thank you for listening.